Ninth floor.
Ma'am, sorry po. Pwede ba kayo nalang pumindot? Marami po kasi akong hawak eh.
Inuutusan mo ba ako?
Ay, hindi po. Sabi ko nga po ako na eh.
I-press mo na rin kaya ang 4 para more chances of winning. Good morning, ma'am.
She's the boss. He's the assistant.
I'm taking a 2-month leave starting on Monday. Pong, siya ang boss mo habang wala ako. You won't fail me, right?
Of course not, sir.
Where's your boss?
Oh, he's not here.
This is very important meeting. I don't want to talk with an assistant, okay?
Good morning.
Sir Pong! You made it!
He's your boss?
I'm the boss.
Yes! You're my boss. He's the boss.
I'm the boss.
Pero paano kung si assistant naging boss?
Walang boss na naka-Hawaiian shirt, oversized pants at maduming sapatos.
Baka meron naman, ma'am.
Saan? Patayin ko.
Who's the boss?
Let me remind you, ako pa rin ang boss at assistant ka lang, kaya huwag kang mag-walk out sa akin.
Di ba ikaw humingi ng pabor sa akin ito? Ako ang boss, di ba? Kaya ikaw ang susunod sa akin. May meeting pa ba ako ngayong araw?
I will check it, sir. Pahiram po ng planner.
Oh my gosh.
Star Cinema proudly presents the sweetest summer ever with the official kilig couple of the season, Tony Gonzaga and Coco Martin.
Oops! Sa harap ka. Close the door.
Sa kanilang pag-pretend, maging tunay na pag-ibig kaya in the end?
No. Miss, I said 2 bedrooms. Hindi 2 beds.
Ikaw hindi mo naman sinabi sa akin na gusto mo pala ako makasama sa kwarto. But it's okay. I will understand.
You're my boss!
In fairness, ha? Sir Pong.
Ilabas ang helicopter. Mamamasyal ako.
It's helicopter.
Helicopter?
Helicopter.
Jeep na lang.
Directed by Antoinette Hadaune. April 4 in cinemas nationwide.